The Comfy Splint's hand line is extensive, with models available for almost every need in both static non-moving or dynamic movable options. Post-stroke, weakened hands, wrist drop, contractures, sprains, osteoarthritis, carpal tunnel, or trigger fingers are some examples of indications for use. Although Comfy Splints are prefabricated splints, they can be adjusted and customized to wearer-specific needs due to the patented spine. Comfy Splints has developed the ideal balance of flexibility and rigidity, so that the metal spine requires two hands to adjust. Our metal spine is covered with soft velour foam. No metal parts are exposed. Here's our comfortable and soft regular hand splint. Application is easy. Start with the middle strap to secure in place. And always ensure that there's 2 finger lengths for optimal circulation after applying all the straps. The hand strap can also be placed at an angle, and a 4-strap option is available for all splints if extra strapping is needed. A finger separator is often useful for preventing skin breakdown and to provide a soft cushion between fingers that protects and prevents pressure areas between the pip and the dip joints of adjoining digits. Carefully place each finger through the sections of the finger separator. An elastic strap helps hold the grip in place. Simply string through the top strap and secure in place with the Velcro under the Comfy Orthosis. The thick cushion finger separator can also be inverted and placed downwards to prevent hyperextension.